If you live in Georgia and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you through exactly how a gold IRA works and what people in Georgia should know before getting started. Especially if you're retired in Atlanta, working at one of the corporate headquarters like Delta, the Home Depot, UPS, or Coca-Cola, serving in the military at Fort Moore or Fort Stewart near Columbus and Hinesville, or involved in logistics and port work in Macon or Savannah. Georgia has a very diverse retirement landscape, and understanding how a gold IRA fits into your financial plan can make a significant difference in your long-term stability. Before we continue, I want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. I've done my best to present accurate information from reliable sources, but every individual situation is unique, so you should always speak with a qualified professional before making any decisions about your retirement savings. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. A lot of Georgians are considering gold IRAs because retirement math in this state has its own challenges that are easy to overlook. Recent studies suggest that to retire comfortably in Georgia, a single person may need roughly $55,000 to $60,000 per year, covering essentials like housing, healthcare, utilities, groceries, insurance, and transportation. While this is generally lower than what retirees might need in high-cost states like California or Florida, the reality is that many Georgia households have savings that fall short of the $1 million benchmark required to generate that income safely and reliably. Inflation, especially in the Atlanta metro area, has been a persistent concern. For much of 2023 and 2024, Atlanta experienced inflation rates consistently above the national average, driven primarily by rising housing costs and service-related expenses. For retirees on fixed incomes, these increases can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable lifestyle, even when careful budgeting is applied. Specific financial pressures add to the challenge. Auto insurance rates in Georgia skyrocketed by approximately 20% or more in 2024 and 2025, directly impacting retirees and fixed-income households. Property taxes, while generally lower than in the Northeast, have increased in sprawling Atlanta suburbs like Cobb and Gwinnett counties, affecting homeowners who may have lived in the same home for decades. For retirees in these areas, small increases in taxes and insurance can quietly erode retirement savings year after year. When you combine these pressures with the natural volatility of the stock market, it becomes clear why many Georgians are exploring ways to diversify and protect their wealth, and why gold IRAs are gaining attention as a practical solution. One important clarification is that gold IRAs are federal retirement accounts governed by IRS rules. Internal Revenue Code Section 408M defines exactly which precious metals are allowable in a retirement account, how the account must be structured, and how the metals must be stored. These rules apply uniformly across all states, including Georgia. The federal framework ensures that your investment meets regulatory standards, but the state-specific benefits, like Georgia's generous retirement income exclusions, zero sales tax on bullion, and favorable cost of living considerations, make holding a gold IRA in Georgia particularly appealing. Knowing both federal regulations and state-specific advantages is key to creating a retirement strategy that is both compliant and optimized for your personal situation. Most Georgians who open a gold IRA are rolling over funds from existing retirement accounts rather than starting entirely from scratch. In Atlanta, corporate headquarters like Delta, the Home Depot, UPS, and Coca-Cola employ a significant number of high-balance 401k holders. Many retirees from these companies are concentrated in their former employer's stock, which can expose their retirement portfolios to unnecessary risk. A gold IRA provides a way to diversify away from that single company exposure while preserving wealth. Teachers and state employees in the TRCGA and ERCGA systems also make up a large portion of gold IRA investors. While these individuals benefit from a pension, many maintain supplemental 401k or 457 accounts that are entirely market exposed. Rolling these funds into a gold IRA can protect against stock market downturns and ensure their supplemental savings retain value over time. Career military personnel settling near Fort Moore or Fort Stewart in Columbus or Hinesville often roll over funds from the Thrift Savings Plan. Using a gold IRA as a strategic way to diversify and shield their retirement assets from market and economic fluctuations. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403b, 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Georgia does not have IRS-approved depositories, so most storage is handled in states like Delaware or Texas. This ensures compliance with federal regulations and safeguards your assets against theft, loss, or mismanagement. Out-of-state storage is standard practice, and it does not reduce your ownership or control over your metals. Georgia also provides unique advantages for retirees holding a gold IRA. First, the state fully exempts sales of gold, silver, and platinum bullion and coins from state sales tax under OCGA Section 488351. Unlike some states that require a minimum purchase amount, Georgia imposes no threshold, meaning whether you buy a single coin or fund an entire IRA, it is tax-free at the point of sale. Another significant benefit is the retirement income exclusion. Residents aged 62 to 64 can exclude up to $35,000 of retirement income, including IRA distributions, from state taxes, and residents aged 65 and older can exclude up to $65,000 per person or $130,000 per couple. For gold IRA investors, this is substantial. It means that when you begin taking distributions in retirement, a significant portion, or even all, of your withdrawals could be state tax-free, maximizing your retirement income and keeping more money in your pocket. Many people also ask whether they can store their gold locally in Georgia. While no IRS-approved depositories exist in the state, storing metals in secure facilities in Delaware or Texas is common and fully compliant. This approach ensures regulatory compliance, asset safety, and peace of mind while maintaining complete control over your IRA metals. Out-of-state storage allows investors to meet IRS requirements and maintain flexibility while enjoying the full protections and benefits of a gold IRA. A gold IRA is generally intended to complement other retirement strategies rather than replace them entirely. Retirees often use physical gold to diversify alongside pensions, Social Security, and traditional investment accounts. Social Security cost of living adjustments often lag behind actual inflation, and pension payments are usually fixed. Holding a portion of retirement savings in physical gold can help offset purchasing power erosion and protect assets over the long term. For Georgians, gold provides a way to safeguard wealth against both market volatility and inflation while remaining within a structured, federally regulated retirement account. It's about balance, risk management, and predictability in a state where costs can fluctuate and market exposure is a concern. A gold IRA generally makes sense for people who are closer to retirement and focused on protecting what they've already built. It can be ideal for the Delta captain looking to safeguard a high-balance corporate 401k, the Georgia teacher protecting their supplemental nest egg, or a military retiree rolling over their TSP into physical assets. This is about long-term preservation, not chasing short-term market gains. In Georgia, gold IRAs also provide the opportunity to leverage state tax advantages like the retirement income exclusion, ensuring a greater portion of your wealth remains protected and available throughout retirement. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees, and whether this type of strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage logistics, and Georgia-specific considerations, helping you understand how gold might fit into a broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.